Hey crafty friends, it's Sarah here from Your Creative Junction, and I thought that we would get back to more video vlogs and me giving you updates this way. So welcome to the first. We did this a long time ago, but we are going to bring it back, and I'm going to be able to chat with you more this way and give you some more updates rather than you having to read content. So this is the first of many, and hopefully you enjoy. If you are not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, you're going to want to make sure that you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I think we're going to be doing more content on YouTube and you're not going to want to miss it. So make sure that you do that, and let's jump right into it. So April is right around the corner, literally. It is next week, and I am behind as usual, and the April calendar has finally come out. So if you're watching this through our email newsletter, then you have already seen the calendar and you are probably excited about what is coming up this month. But there's a couple of things that I wanted to take the opportunity to explain to you just because it's easier to do it this way. So you will see that Crafter's Choice is now Crafter's Choice / drop-in. And I'm still playing with this. I really want to find a way for you to be able to be spontaneous and join me in the studio, but also have you make it so that the supplies are here and are ready for you. So I'm going to try a little bit of a hybrid idea this month. So you'll be able to register for Crafter's Choice. If you so choose, you know you're coming, you're bringing a friend, you'll be able to select your project. And that way all of the materials will be here and be ready for you, and you'll be able to dive right in. If you're feeling spontaneous and you've got the kids are around, or your girlfriends or whoever, and you want to join me on a Crafter's Choice day, then you can also drop in. Now, keep in mind that drop-ins are only available if there's enough space in the studio, and the project that you want to do, if it's something that requires prep ahead of time, like custom stencils or anything like that, we won't be able to do that for you. But you certainly will be able to do anything that's in the studio that's ready to go. Our candle bar, painting, any of the kits that are behind me, any of the supplies that are around, we always have a new box full of wood pieces and seasonal stencils that are ready to go. So if you're feeling like you want to make something, there is definitely something here for you to do. So we're really excited to have that coming to you this month, and we hope that we will see you on one of those days. Also, we're doing a drop-in session on the Saturday of the Saturday of Easter weekend. Let me get that out there. Easter is always a big weekend. It is a big weekend for us family-wise, so we will be closed on the Friday and on the Sunday. But on Saturday, we're gonna just do drop-ins. We oftentimes get a request for that. People have got family in town looking for something to do with the kids, or again, with family members. And so we will have all sorts of Easter related or spring related crafts available for that day. There will be DIY cookie kits available that day. There will be lots of little Easter wooden pieces and wooden kits, so you'll be able to just drop in and be able to craft with us that day. So anytime between 10 and 2, there is no pre-registration, and you can just drop in. And again, only if there are seats available, but I'm sure it will be just fine. So we've got some extra tables we've had to throw up in the past, so we can do that as well. One of the other things that I really wanted to clarify for people is this ladder project. It is one of my newest favorite things, and you will see the interchangeable ladder project on the calendar every single month moving forward, because I love it so much. So until we get really bored of it, but these are interchangeable. So all of these, I have to figure out where my holes are, but all of these pop out. And you can change them. They have little Velcro pieces on them. So I just wanted to bloop bloopers for later. I just wanted to clarify that when you sign up for that class for the very first time, you are choosing a 4-spot ladder or a 3-spot ladder, and that includes your first set of inserts. That's what we call those. So the project is complete. It is the ladder, which you are going to stain or paint to your choices, and then it is the inserts that go either 4 or 3. And every month there is some, I call them everyday home type of inserts, so not necessarily seasonal, as well as the shiplap home, which is what I have chosen. And then there will always be seasonal ones, so spring, summer, birthday, all of the things. So every month take a look and see what the options are. If you've already done the ladder, then you're just purchasing inserts, but you're still signing up for the class, and you can choose how many inserts you want, 1 to 4, because there are 4 spots. So, I mean, clearly you could do more if you wanted to, but that is what the class is designed for, is for 3 or 4 inserts, but maybe you only want to do 1, like I've done this month. I like my shiplap home and I just wanted to swap out my spring. So you always have the option to just do 1 new insert, or up to 4 if you so choose. And if you can't make it to class, that's no problem. Still register for the class and send me a message so that I get those inserts cut for you, and you can do them at home, or you can do them at a Crafter's Choice or a drop-in day. The last big exciting thing that I want to share with you is our new loyalty program. We are in our 3rd year of business in this space, and our customers are the most amazing people on planet Earth. I couldn't be happier with the new people and connections and community growth that has happened in this space. It really, truly fills my heart with joy each and every day. And I have been racking my brain and researching all sorts of different loyalty programs to be able to give back to you and show my appreciation for your month-over-month loyalty to us and for your enthusiasm for helping our business grow. I've looked at some commercial programs, electronic tracking, all of those things, and I'm just not ready to commit to anything. So I'm going to go old school, and I'm going to do a draw at the counter every single month. So here's how it's going to work. For every class that you attend, or every drop-in class that you attend, you're going to put your name in a ballot, and you're going to do it when you're here. There's going to be cards on the table to remind you to do it. You're just going to write your name and put it in the basket at the front counter. And it will be as simple as that. And every month on one of these live updates or video updates, I will draw a name, and that person will win a $50 gift card for the space. And you'll be able to use it for retail product, or you'll be able to use it for classes or retreats or camps or whatever you want to apply it to. But that way, the more classes you attend, the more chances your name is in that basket, and you will have the opportunity to win. And we're super excited about that. And we're going to go one step further. And for those of you who leave Google reviews or Facebook reviews, you're going to get your name put in a second time. So I see those every time you post a Google review or a Facebook review. I like it or love it and try and respond to you, and thanks for that. But I also see they come through my digital social media as well. So I will see those, and I will physically add your name a second time. So the more times you can spread the love about our business digitally, socially, with pictures or without, although pictures are always great because people love to see them, then we're going to add your name in the basket again. So we're going to draw 2 times every month, both of them for $50 gift cards. So we're going to give away $100 every month in gift cards to our space, in thanks to you for your support of what it is that we're doing here. We know you love it as much as we do, and we can't, we need to be able to thank you, and this is the best way that I know how. Will it always be like that? Maybe not. Maybe we'll go digital at some point. For right now, this is the easiest way. There's a bunch of things at play, and who knows whether or not we'll still be with this website provider in the future. So this is going to be the easiest way to get it started. And I'm super excited. It's starting on April 1st. So you will see cards and prompts on the table. There will be QR codes to scan so that you can just, it'll take you right to Google or right to Facebook to leave your review so you don't forget. Take a picture in this space and share it with your Google or your Facebook review, and share the love of what it is that we're doing here. And you'll get those cards and put them in the draw, and we'll give away starting at the end of the month. And I'm super excited about it and so grateful for all of you and for your commitment to us and seeing us grow. I have some exciting news for you. I have noticed over the last little while that many of you crafters are coming and going, and you are bringing bags with you to carry out your crafts. And it got me to thinking. A while ago, we used to have canvas totes that were branded, and I've come up with this super cute new branded canvas tote, and they will be available for purchase probably middle of the month. I will have a stock of them, and you will be able to grab yourself a Creative Junction canvas tote for you to be able to transport your crafts safely to and from your home. So keep an eye out for that, and be the first to grab your Creative Junction canvas tote so that you can sport around with it as well. Hey, hey, hi, you want to say hi? You want to say hi? Oh, yes. Do you want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi, Bills. Hi, Bills. Last thing, there are new spring DIY kits available in store. We're doing low volume right now because our own laser is not operational, but it will be real soon. So you will find new round kits in the new bigger size of 16 inches, as well as a bunch of adorable Easter options and spring options for you and for the kiddos. Just make sure you're checking the wall every time you're here. I'm also doing my best to upload those to the kits section on the website, so you'll be able to see pictures of what it is that we have in stock. If you're looking for something specific, shoot me a message with an image. I'm sure that we can make that happen for you. Last but not least, your monthly savings coupon code for the month of April, it will be right here on the screen for you, so that if you are registering for classes in the month of April and you've watched this video all the way through, you can use that coupon code to save on some of your classes this month. Thanks again for being here, and hopefully you enjoyed this update, and I'm going to do my best to do more of these for you. So thanks so much, and I'll see you in the workshop soon. Bye.